Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the charger connector replacement process for your MSI Pulse GL66, make sure you have the necessary tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back panel. This involves unscrewing the screws located at the back using the Phillips screwdriver. Pay attention to the size and placement of the screws, as they may vary. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver, ensuring you do not damage any clips in the process. With the back panel off, locate the charger connector. It is typically situated near the power input jack. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Using a soft brush or compressed air, clean the internal components to ensure optimal airflow and prevent overheating. Now, carefully disconnect the old charger connector from the motherboard. This may require gently pulling it out or unscrewing it, depending on the model. If you encounter resistance, double-check if there are any additional screws securing it in place. If you're uncertain about the process or lack the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you in this task. Once the old connector is removed, take the new charger connector and align it with the motherboard. Ensure it is properly seated and secure it in place. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it easy to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of traveling or making calls. After securing the new connector, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, making sure all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened without overdoing it to avoid damaging the casing. Finally, power on your MSI Pulse GL66 to test the new charger connector. If everything works correctly, you've successfully completed the replacement. However, if you encounter issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. By following these steps, you can effectively replace the charger connector on your MSI Pulse GL66, enhancing its performance and lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.